Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is going to be, what does it mean to be under contract in real estate? So I'm going to give you both aspects of this particular topic as a buyer as well as a seller. As a buyer, this actually means that you can actually schedule an inspection and you need to make sure that your financing is actually in order. If you are a seller, then essentially your home can be considered off the market. But you don't want to put all your eggs in one basket because something can easily fall through while your home is under contract. So let's talk about some of the things that could actually happen while your home is under contract that could cause it to actually go left, so to speak. During the inspection period, you can actually find some things that actually may go wrong. You take a look at your inspection report and determine whether or not that is something that you want to move forward with. So you may find there may be cracks in the foundation. There may be a whole list of things that could actually be wrong with the house. Now, of course, no home is actually perfect, so to speak. There are going to be some holes. There are going to be some nooks and crannies that may actually need revision. But determine what your must-haves are and determine what your non-negotiables are. And if those non-negotiables don't meet what you want, then you can actually ask the seller if they are interested in fixing these items on the inspection report. If they're not willing to negotiate with you or fix them, then you must make your decision at that particular point. Appraisal issues can also be another issue. For example, if the home is under contract for $200,000, then once you get an appraisal done, the appraisal comes back, and let's just say the appraisal comes back at $175,000. If you have financing with the bank is not going to pay more than what the home appraises for. So you can go back to the seller and say, hey, it didn't appraise for this, it appraised for X amount. Then see if the seller will be willing to negotiate with you at that particular point in time. If they're not, then that speaks for itself. Financing problems can also be an issue and determine whether or not a house is going to continue to close or not. Contingency deadlines is another issue. What I mean by contingency is you may make certain negotiations with a seller or with the buyer. For example, a contingency is you must fix the roof or replace the roof within 10 days or within 5 days. If that deadline is not met, then you can actually consider the contract null and void. Make sure you speak with your realtor. Make sure that all of the information that is needed in a purchase agreement is actually in your agreement. In conclusion, if everything goes smoothly, the appraisal, the inspection for both the buyers and the sellers, then a happy new homeowner gets their keys and a happy seller actually gets their check. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comments. Thanks for watching and talk to you soon.